Warner Studios has an amazing community, which I love, and you can talk to people there. But when you're creating like this, maybe you just want a quick like a co-pilot, like co-creator for you. And that's what it really feels like. It understands that you can talk to it, and it comes back with great results. So you help me really just explain, because I can't, I'm not a copywriter. I'm definitely a storyteller here, but not to get it out in very fancy, not even fancy, but just very detailed descriptive words that helps to shape the story. So that's what it does. Like, I get you, I hear what you want to create. Let me just break it down in a very clear way. And then they did that. And then here you can see, Jax, the monkey, Kuro, the tiger, created all this kind of backstory. It's like Nova isn't just an AI. She's a soul stream, a sentient consciousness harvested from a dying nebula and imprisoned within the Overlord's mainframe to power his time prediction algorithms. I'm like, what? That is awesome. It's like all this stuff. And then when I read this, I was like, oh, but she can do this. And then in episode 1, that's going to happen. But they're going to meet in episode 3. And all of a sudden, just that little backstory sparked like so many ideas for me.